Hello everyone, this is how much earning you can get from this method. So let's dive in. This is how you can make money or build your business with an easy strategy. Just follow step by step. We will go in here to build our website. It's called a tool website with the Blogger, a free tool from Google, and you will get your AdSense account. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new here. We are Money Academy and we give you a lot of strategy on how to build your business online and make money online. This is the website that we go in to build. It's called a tool online and I will give you access to this template you can download from the description. So this is our website. It's a simple website that have a small tool and everyone can search. So first of all, go to blogger.com and we will make a new blog. You can write whatever you want for the tool. It's very easy, guys. Here I will give a name for my tool website here. Here's our website now, but it's empty. We will have to change our theme here. So let's go and upload our theme. That's it. And after this, this is the new site with the template. For the layout here, I will have to change our add image. So let's go for this ads here. I will get this ads not. This is the page that we have to go and got it. I will let you the link to get all this page with one click. This legal page for AdSense account. So the page here is page generator, and here we have to write our website and choose the template or what the kind of page that we want. This will help us to get accepted from Google AdSense. So now we have to add the page, the legal page. Go to pages and add new, and you have to just copy if you want the HTML, or you can just copy the text. It's very easy, guys. And I will do everything for the other page. So I don't want this tutorial to exceed or to be long, and I will just copy the other and paste it for the link here. I have to change the link of my page here. That's the new link for access to my page. Here, if I click this, will go to our page. So now let's dive to the other free tool. Here I will disable this one and the other one. I don't need it for the blog yet. I will now here, yes, for the report and attribution here, I will let the about me page. Now I'm done. Just follow what I'm doing here. It's very easy, guys. I just speed a little bit for the video here to be not longer than 10 minutes. So after the page is done here, let's add our tool page. You can of course modify whatever you want here. It's very easy. You can modify whatever you want. Use the small tool. You can modify this and write whatever you want. Free tool online, or just to choose your name. You can change also the image or anything you want from this in the layout. Let's go now to add this tool page, word counter, and the other page, strong password generator, count, coin counter here, link building, and SEO checker. This tool is, I think, the most searched on Google, so it's very helpful to make a website like this, and you can earn money without any post or without anything else. So for this one here, I will have to add all the page. Now I will let all this page here, and you can check it from the description and download all the page. So I have just to write our link here and do a DS for it, and this is all. I will do it for all the page here. Now all the page is on the menu here. This is second if you want to add it or change the name, or the age calculator here. You can change it and change the description from here. Use free age calculator or whatever I want. It's very easy, guys. Now for the age, for the free tool here. Now I have to go to this menu and add all this tool here. Free page, yes, I will add the link for all this tool. So for to work with this tool, I have to add their page. So the next step is adding a page for each tool. Now the menu is ready. Let's go with our page. Yes, this menu, I will go with this and delete it. Yes, now the page are here, our privacy, everything is done. Good. Now this is our page. I will just copy and paste it to our page here. You will find the page section, add new, and paste. And of course, we have to write our title. That is web counter or word counter. This is the first page. If we open it, we will find the word counter here. And if I write something here, they will give me how much words. This is the first tool. Go to the other one and I will add the link before that and save it. And here I will add the link in two places. If I if I click here, it will give me access to this page, and if I click here, it's the same thing. It's very easy, guys. Just follow what I'm doing here. And for the pages, I will write every page for you and do the same thing for the age calculator and password generator and the link building. It's very easy. The other thing with all this tool, I will let you all the page down. You can download it and do the same thing. The last step will be marketing. We have to share this tool with our friends on Facebook, Reddit, Quora, wherever you want. You have the marketing tool. It's your turn now to get 1,000 visitor or whatever you want to get access to your AdSense and make money from this method. Thank you for watching and see you next time.